much less with geometry. But we're revisiting scale factor. Scale factor. So how will we find scale factor? What is even scale factor? Well, let's say you're small. 5'6". No. And you get bigger. Let's say 8'7". Well, scale factor is pretty much what you multiplied. Let's say 3 to get to your current height, which is big O. This is pretty much represented with diacritics, which is A and A. So, if a letter has a diacritic and there's an equivalent letter without one, we know that this letter got changed. So when we're finding the scale factor, we take this number and divide it with this number. So what does this mean in geometry? Let's say we have two triangles. Let's say A over here has a diacritic. This one is a 9 and it's a B. And then we have an equivalent triangle which is a lot bigger, very big, not to scale. And we have A here and B here, and this is 12. So how will we find the scale factor of this to here? So remember about the diacritic. So that means that this triangle experienced the scale factor. But scale factor doesn't always mean that it's gonna be big. You can always turn small, like 4 feet or something. And so we'll take the result, which is 9 feet, and the one before, which is 12. And if we simplify this, we'll get 3/4. And so the scale factor of this triangle to here would be 3/4 or 0.75. Okay, so with another example, let's go down a bit and let's say that we have this triangle over here, and we have A and B being 65, and another triangle where D and E is 26. Now realize that these triangles looks like right triangles, right? But it might not be mentioning that in the text. But what you need to know is that whenever you have something like this, it's always good to know that it's alphabetical order. So it would be A, B, C, then we'll have triangle D, E, F. So this is the original triangle, and it got changed into this. 26 divided by 65. 26 divided by 65, and we'll get 0.4. And that would be the scale factor of this triangle. Okay, thanks.